Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we are going to be going over this brand new sample pack we released called the AT Blackout samples. It was something that we released on Black Friday, but it wasn't like any exclusive. It's just a sample pack that we dropped on Black Friday. So I wanted to go through all the samples in here and show you what you get. Currently, for the month of December, we are running a site-wide sale. So if you guys are watching this on December in 2019, then check out beatitat.com because we are running a site-wide sale. So let's go and get started. So the first sample is the bathroom sample. That's what it's called. And for all of our samples, we labeled the key as well as the BPM and include all the stems. So let's play this one. Come up, and like I said, you get the stem so you can modify everything based on so next one. More of like NBA Youngboy Gunna type of vibes. Corner store. A lot of different type of genres and styles. I love that sample. And I just want to let you guys know that all these samples go much longer than what you're hearing. Not much longer, but a little bit longer. They're all seamless loops, so you guys shouldn't have any problems. lots of different styles and samples. So that should give you an idea of all the samples in the Blackout, the AT Blackout sample kit. It's available now. I'll put the link to the sample kit in the description down below. Let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for a lot of new videos. I'm working on a whole bunch of different videos for the channel. Have a lot of new offers coming out on the website. So make sure to also sign up as a member on the Beat It AT website. This is Andrew, Beat It AT, and I'll see you guys later.